Hi everybody, it's CR number 11, helper video number 4. It says if the temperature in Asheville, North Carolina is 15 degrees Fahrenheit, how far would it have to fall to reach -5 degrees Fahrenheit? Well, okay, let's just try to put this on a number line here. So here's my number line, and this oh gee, that's a terrible looking number line. This center point here is 0 degrees, okay? So once again, if I'm at -5, and you know what, I don't even like that. Let me just erase that real quick, because you know what I'm going to do? If this is temperature, let's draw a number line that's going up and down. Doesn't that make more sense? So here's my number line, right? Temperature. Here is 0 degrees right here. Now, if I'm at -5 down here, right, and we need to know how far apart that is from 15 up here, first thing we're going to do is this. From -5 to 0 is how many degrees? Well, hopefully you're all saying that's 5-degree difference right there. And then from 0 to 15 is another 15 degrees. So the total distance between -5 degrees and 15 degrees, or how far apart they are, is a total of 20 degrees Fahrenheit. That is how far apart they are. Oh, and here it is. Bam. Good luck.